Louise, I need your measurements, just around the hips, waist, legs, and bust, which is fashion lingo for around your boobs. This way. Just pop your arms up there, hun, and
Look, it's okay. I brought a dress from home. There's no need for measurements. See?
Very nice. Let Jess and Daisy know if it needs to be altered.
It won't. This is my perfect dress.
Hopefully it'll be great.
No. Come on. No. Come on, please. No! Louise, don't scare me like that. Do you need a tampon? No, it wasn't in case thing. What's up? It's nothing. We can fix it. No, don't. Look, it's all wrong. My body changed after chemo. I'm bigger, and I have scars. They gave me that for chemo. I just don't want people seeing it.
Lurking in the leaves, ladies? Jess, I need you to get back at the sewing machine. Louise, I need you back on stage practicing your walk.
I'm not in the mood, Faith. Did you notice she was upset? Some friend.